Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nolan. Welcome back to a brand new video. My face cam is in the wrong spot, but that doesn't matter. So today we were playing Pizza Factory Tycoon. And it's by that guy who made Restaurant Tycoon, so you know it's gonna be good. So, I almost said the same thing like I always do. So let's just claim this factory right here. I have played this before. But I thought it would be fun to record it. So let's just go here, buy a new pizza dough dropper. Okay, so the next one is going to be 150. So, pizza dough is worth 50 cash. Oh, okay, so, we just need 3 of these, or yeah. How do you... Oh, okay. Takes a while. Okay, so you can't see it's behind my face cam, but so far we have 100 cash. Maybe I'll move my face cam down. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we got our face cam down. Ooh, we can buy the pizza shaper. So this one is worth $100. Okay, so we're gonna get money much faster. We need 3 of these. Hello, I would like $300. Okay, we're at 150. We need, do the math. We need 150 more. Yeah, we need 150 more. Face cam's in a weird spot today. Sorry about that. Okay, we need 50 more. Come here, pizza. I would like, yeah, good stuff. Hello, you are my Tycoon. Would you like some pizza? We're having an offer. We just left the game. Okay. So we're at 150 cash. This next one is 600. Wow, 600. That's gonna take a while to get. Why did I just say that? I wasn't thinking. We're at, how much does this give? 175. That wasn't a big upgrade. That was only like 75 cash. It's usually... Oh, wait, no. That was a bigger upgrade. Okay, we need 100 more. 175. Cash, come here. I want some cash. Look at this. I would like some quiche. Quiche, moolah. There we go. Ooh! Wow, that one was big. How about this? How much is this worth? For a second, I thought that. 275. Now that was a big upgrade. That's what you call a big upgrade. For a second, I didn't know where my face cam was, and I was like, ah! Okay. Let's check. My arm's not long enough. Let's check how much. Okay, 900. We're at 800. Just need 100 more. This next one should give us more than enough. Here we go. This one, 400 cash. We're getting some big upgrades here. Oh, we're already at 575. We just need $1,500 to get this one. Let's just save it just in case we crash or something. No, I would not like that. Okay, 975. We're almost there. Come here, come here, come here. Yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Moolah, moolah. Oh, that's not enough. Moolah, 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 moolah. Sausage and pepperoni. I'm getting hungry for some nice pizza now. Oh, I just bought it. 550 cash. Okay, that was 150 upgrade. I want to get those motorcycles. Ooh. Hi. Can I have that motorcycle you were... Oh, you got the chef uniform. Fancy. Why are you walking through my Tycoon? Never mind. Okay. Well, 1925. 1925. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. We need... Oh, I have like an amnesia or something. We need 3,500. Yeah. I really have amnesia. I keep forgetting. Why did I just check again? I knew it. I can't fit through it. All I wanted to do was become a pizza. That's all. I just wanted to become a pizza. Ooh, biscuit base drop. Oh wait, hold on. Biscuit. What's a biscuit? Well, I know what a biscuit is, but like, kind of confused on the term they're using it in. But okay. Maybe I'll become a biscuit next. Ooh. Oh, that just reminds me of once I was on a plane and I had like the best biscuit ever. Like, I was like, can I just go on the plane to get the biscuit? Yeah, I'd love that. They only give you one package though, and I wanted like 6. I literally, what I didn't eat, I was just like, I'll save it for later. Buy 10,000 cash. Wow, we would be able to buy lots of things. Ooh, we can buy the biscuit base dropper. Worth 100 cash. So we're gonna get double times the cash now because we're working with biscuits. You take a while to spawn. Oh, wait, what? Huh? Very confusion. Ooh. What's this next one? Biscuit base cutter, 4,500. That shouldn't take too long to get. We can buy like 40,000 cash. Infinite cash. Infinite customers. Oh my god. No. Just no. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, we're getting that moolah really fast now. 4,500. We're gonna get there soon. 4,225. And booyah, we're there. Alright, let's buy this nice biscuit base cutter. Ooh, our biscuits and pizzas are looking good. I gotta get straight with you guys. I really want a cheese pizza and a biscuit right now. I know. It's really sad. I don't know why that's really sad. Ooh, my hairstyle looks nice. Like my hairstyle? Do you like my hairstyle? Yeah, cut into my biscuit. Wait, how much is this worth? I never checked. 200. We're just getting this money really fast now. Like, we're getting like 1,000 at a time if these two come at the same time. Like, look at that. Look at that. We only need a cream adder for this, I believe, because... Oh, wait, no, we're probably going to need more. But, it's coming together nicely. Yeah, look at it. This is the oven is just... Wait! Before we were making... Right now we're making biscuits that aren't cooked. Just noticed, no, and we used to be making pizzas that weren't cooked. You know, I just think our population went down, but I don't know. How much? 350. We're just, oh my. I'm just so, oh, ow, ow. Oh. Ow. I did not notice that this was there. Can we buy the little, ooh, we got a customer. We got a customer. Hi. Hi, can you come in? What do you want? We don't have anything. Oh, sorry about that, yeah. Hi. Cheese dispenser. Cheese pizza dispenser. Alright, we'll get some customers now if they want some cheese pizza. Oh, now we can buy it for happy customers. This is really smart. Like, Whoever creates these games, smart people. I still have the chair from last night here, from when I recorded the Hello Neighbor video. Thank water thank water for being a thing. Someone's coming? But. Hi! Oh, pizza box set. I want to deliver. Hi. Oh, you would like a cheese pizza? Of course. Oh, of course. Ooh. Look at that. Thank you. Oh, yes. We got one happy customer. Yeah, we just need 6 more of those and we'll be good. Whoa, we have 8,000 cash. Okay, we can buy a couple things. I'm not going to buy the tables. It's not worth it yet. Windows. Entrance. I think I'm going to buy more droppers so we can make even more money. We have 10,000 cash. So that's like really good. Okay, sprinkles adder, 7,000. I can do that. And then we just need 10,000. How much is a sprinkles adder? How much does that give you? 500. I thought that said 560. I'm like blind now. Amnesia and blind. Not a very good combination. Gear platform. Ooh. Wait, what? No. Or, yes. Magic carpet breakfast. Ooh. Okay. H table. I'm quite confused on that. But okay. I don't care. Let's save our game just in case. Yeah. Alright. I totally forgot about my customers. I was just too focused on making money, but this isn't going to make me any money if I don't get customers. 2 happy customers. Oh. And then we keep our customers. Whoa. I'm so happy right now. I don't know why, but I'm so happy. Cheese pizza. Why, of course. Anything else? No? Okay. See you tomorrow. Maybe. Oh, wait. I don't think. Ooh. Look at that milkshake. Oh, wait. Those are just milkshake cups. That's why no one was ordering the milkshake. I need 5 happy customers. You keep your happy customers, which is even better. Okay, we'll get the banana milkshake later, dispenser. Later dispenser, which is like 5 happy customers. We need 2 more, but we can buy this thing. I think that's the oven. Ooh, oh, look at that, pink marshmallows. Oh my god. 7. What's next? Oh wait, there's nothing else. Oh, so we can just make happy customers. I really want the thing where we deliver, but we don't have the phone. Oh, got it. That's why, because we don't have the phone. Pick up the phone. Ooh. I can buy all this now because, like, we're done with the other thing. We can extend the walls. Let's extend the wall. Oh, there's an upstairs now. 2nd floor, 6,000. Let's aim for that next, and then we'll go for the windows, and then we'll go for the table and chairs because we're just gonna make this totally complete. Did we get a phone? Oh, for a second, I didn't know what that was. Okay. Ooh, another customer. Oh, okay. Oh, you would like a cheese pizza. Hey, we got a new thing. It's called the milkshake cup. You don't drink anything out of it, but if you want some air, yeah. Ooh. You can change your restaurant name. Fancy. Let's do it. glasses. YouTube Cafe. Oh, can't type. YouTube Cafe. Confirm. We got the YouTube Cafe up in here. YouTube Cafe. This is looking nice. This is looking real nice. Oh, we can buy the second floor. We can buy the second floor. We should... Oh, I was going to say before that we should probably buy more food, but whatever. Whatever. Wow, things get really expensive up here. Okay. It's getting dark. Can we buy some lights or something? You would like a cheese pizza. Why, of course. There you go. We got 6 happy customers. Okay, we can buy this. 12 happy customers? What? Banana milkshake. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Someone better order a happy milkshake. What's the word I'm thinking of? Banana milkshake. What was I thinking? Happy milkshake. What was I? Okay, we're gonna do the sausage pizza dispenser as our next one. We should buy some windows. We got like 11,000. What was our next one that we were aiming for? I think it was something out front. We can probably buy a phone soon, I hope. Ooh, you would like a banana milkshake. Oh wait, I already got a milkshake. I got another one. Shoot. How do you... Oh, okay. There you go. Anything else? Can I also have a cheese pizza? Why, of course. Oh, wait. Does this give me 2 happy customers? No. Okay. Well, okay, we can get this one. 20 happy customers? Jeez. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fancy, fancy. Oh, really weird. Like, really, really weird. I kind of want this. Ooh, looking good. What about this? Reminds me of a song. I really want the little thingamajig where you can ride around. Ooh, you would like a sausage pizza. Sounds good. Okay, there you go. Nothing else? Fine. Whatever, just leave my store without buying anything else. Imagine someone actually said that to you. Just leave my store without buying anything else. Okay. I think we're actually going to split this into 2 episodes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save this so we can record another episode because I'm actually really enjoying this. So we're going to split it into 2 parts. In part 2, I think that we're going to aim for trying to we're going to try to finish it because this video is getting quite long, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Have an awesome day.